In this lecture video, we'll discuss about the pivotal method in finding the determinant. In the previous lecture video, we discussed about cofactor expansion with a bit of the row operation. Now, let's talk about the pivotal method. Let A be an n by n matrix. Choose an entry whose value is unity or 1. So that is the first step. If there is no entry that is equal to 1, transform the determinant matrix using the applicable theorems. We call this entry as the pivotal element or simply the pivot. Cross out the ith row and the jth column where the pivot is. We refer to them as the pivotal row and the pivotal column respectively. The resulting determinant A is obtained by, okay, first we have the locator. Okay, this one is the location of the locator for the pivot, and then we have the submatrix that will be left. Okay, the submatrix that will be left here, of course, determinant yun. Okay, the entry of this submatrix will be its own element, but each entry will be subtracted by the product of the corresponding entry in the pivotal rows and column. To further illustrate this, let us have our example. We have here the matrix C. Okay, first, let's have the determinant form. Here in the pivotal method, we are going to choose an entry that is equal to 1. Here we have this one. Okay, I'm going to highlight the pivotal row. Okay, this one is the pivotal row including the 1 of course, and then the column, pivotal column. Okay. Now, this is the method for the pivotal. We have here the locator. The pivot is in the second row, first column, so that is negative. Okay, the remaining elements are negative 1, positive 5 that are not shaded out, and then 0, and then 2. Okay, take note that I'm making space because we are going to subtract the corresponding product from these entries. Okay. For negative 1, we are going to subtract 2 and then 2 times 3. Okay, saan galing yung 2 times 3? Dito. 2 times 3 dahil yan yung katapat ng negative 1. Next kay 0, we have 3, 3. So, yung mga magkakaparehas dyan, ito. Okay, ayan kasi yung mga nasa kabila. Tapos, ayan yung mga nasa column. Tapos, yung mga nasa rows naman ay ito. Ayan, kung 3-0 yan, 3-0 din dito sa pangalawang column. Para naman yan dun sa mga rows. 2x2 matrix na yung kalalabasan nito. Negative 1 minus 6, that is negative 7. 5. Negative 9. Positive 2. Okay, applying the traditional lower minus upper. Okay, we have here negative, be careful. Negative of negative 14 minus negative 45, so that will be plus 45. Okay, we have negative 31. This is the answer. Next problem, we have the same example, the determinant P. The answer here is negative 1518. So, dapat ganun yung lalabas na sagot natin dito. Okay, here, meron tayong 4x4. So, we are going to reduce this using the pivotal method. Equals, ayan, pwede na natin i-apply yung pivotal method dito. Sulat muna natin yung mga elements nung natira. Okay, yung 7, 4, negative 5, lahat sila pagmumultiplyan natin ng 4. Eto yun. Okay? It follows na si 6, 5, negative 4, pag mumultiplyan natin lahat ng negative 1. Tapos yung isa naman, yung pinakahuling column, pag mumultiplyan natin ng 2. So, lahat yan galing dun sa pivotal row. Okay. Next. Dito naman sa isa, 2, 1, negative 8. Ayun naman yung nasa pivotal column. Okay, take note na kapag mag-solve kayo using the pivotal method, make sure to make enough space. 2, 1, negative 8. Okay, we have 7 minus 8, that is negative 1. 4 minus 4, that is 0. We now have a T by T matrix. We will proceed with applying the pivotal method also here. Okay. Let's apply the pivotal method. I'm going to take out the negative 1 from the first row. Okay. Now, so this one will be this one. It becomes 1, negative 8, 0. Okay, 0, 6, negative 7, 27, negative 12, and then 15. Okay? Para maging pivot natin to. Okay, the remaining entries will be 6, negative 7, 15, and 20, negative 12, and negative 12. Okay, ano yung mga babawas natin sa kanila? So, we have minus 0. Okay? K6, 0. Okay, K7 din. K15 din. Ayan o, 0 na lahat. So, bali si 12 lang yung magkakaroon ng may difference. So, 27 times negative 8. So, that's 270 minus 54. So, what is that? We have negative 216. So, that will be plus 216. We have negative 6, 204, negative 7, and then positive 15. This one will be equal to 15 negative of 1518, and ultimately you have negative 1518. So this is the answer in this problem. Now that you already know the methods in solving the determinants, suppose that you were given a 5 by 5 matrix, what strategy will you do in finding its determinant? Is the sign convention in cofactor applicable in the pivotal method? So these are the answers that by this time you should already know the answer of. You may try to answer the same set of problems given to you in the cofactor expansion, but now you are going to use the pivotal method. So you have the determinant of matrix Q and matrix R.